To rebuild your self-esteem, you have to become your own best friend. This means changing the way you talk to yourself, the way you view yourself, and the way you treat yourself. How do you feel when you're around your best friend? You feel happy. You feel connected to them. You love to hang out with them. You love to share things with your best friend. You love to go shopping or go to the cinema or visit other friends with them. And more importantly, you treat your best friend with respect. You won't tell your best friend she's nothing, or call her stupid or dumb or a loser. You won't tell your best friend she's fat and ugly. If your best friend is struggling to cope and feels like her life is out of control, you won't grab her arm and start cutting it with a razor to help her get some release from her pain. You won't stick your fingers down your best friend's throat and make her throw up because she's feeling guilty and hating herself after eating 2 slices of pizza and some crisps and biscuits. You won't force your best friend to starve herself so she can become thin. If you try to do any of these things to your best friend, guess what? You end up with no friends at all. So why do you do it to yourself? I'll give you another reason why it's very important for you to become your own best friend. Who do you hang out with most? It's not your friends or your mates or your mom and dad or sisters or brothers or cousins. It's you. You spend more time with yourself than anybody else. You're stuck with you for the rest of your life. So doesn't it make sense that you should love who you are and become your best cheerleader? Contact me to find out more about our one-to-one coaching and mentoring services. If you found this video useful, please like it, share it, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Take care of you and see you next week.